light. No,
Oh,
for the, yeah, I'm
sorry.
sorry. I'm not,
Misunderstood you.
well, I'm not getting any good direction either. Okay, hook that to somewhere ground, Daniel. All right. Where's our other end at?
Ignition's on now. Here's this thing.
Let me try that ground again. I'm gonna put it on the better bolt.
Okay, shut it off.
Stop.
Ho!
Fill the bottle.
You smell that? I shit my pants.
I know. Put me in there. I know. I gotta tighten it up. I didn't tighten it up. God damn.
You okay? Did it burn you?
Yeah, a little cold.
I'm not on that nut completely.
Okay.
I don't know if it's a little bit bigger size or if it's just an awkward angle that I'm at right now.
Well, why did you turn the bottle off?
Get me
I
a
did.
big crescent wrench. All right, hold her to the ground.
Hold it ground.
Oh, make sure that the fucking thing ain't gonna leak. Okay.
Can I get one video to send to Caleb?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
Yeah, hook this ground
Oh.
up.
Hook the ground up.
Hook the ground up.
No.
It almost catches you off guard. So it's a little tough. You're not sure whether to let out. I let out. I was just